Hi, I'm Harold.
I'm Lanelle, and we are so very, very happy with our new Green Knight metal roof.
I went over to a neighbor's house one day to help him trim some trees, and it just so happened across the street, Green Knight Roofing was putting on a new metal roof on the home there. The roof looked fantastic when it was complete.
We chose a metal roof for its long life durability, its energy efficiency, and the aesthetic appearance.
We have no problem recommending to our friends and our neighbors Green Knight to put a metal roof on their